Hey guys, it's time to do a camera test of the Samsung Galaxy J6 2018, and this phone comes with a 13 megapixel back camera with f1.9 aperture and 8 megapixel on the front with f1.9 aperture, and this phone is not support a optical image stabilization on the back camera. And let's show you the some camera samples on the back, on the front, and some camera recordings as well. And this phone is also record up to 1080p, not 4K recording as the back camera as well as a front camera. Okay guys, and this is a back camera recording footage of the Samsung J6 2018. This phone comes with 13 megapixel back camera with f1.9 aperture with no optical image stabilization, which means this is not comes with OIS technology. I walking on a grass. Let's show you the shaking thing, and the video quality is also looking better. And I go down and the grass is looking no color, and I go up and the grass is looking green. It is some issues and the problems in the camera area. And overall, let's show you some leaves. And let's show you the 8 megapixel camera on the front video recording. Okay guys, and this is a 8 megapixel camera on the front with no optical image stabilization recording thing, and it is me. Same thing with camera on the front, and I go up and the some leaves and the plants is looking green. I go down and the grass is looking so white. Hey guys, and you can see it is a extreme low light video recording, and you can see it is a extreme low light. And let's see, and you can see it is a huge noise reduction. Thank you so much for watching this camera test of the Samsung Galaxy J6 2018, and this phone is very good from the daylight shot and but the night shot it's not good. It has a so many noise reduction, and guys, you are the judge of the color reproduction as well as the dynamic range as well as a noise reduction. And thank you so much for watching this camera test. I catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.